Flick here from the Nerd Soapbox, and I'm at Stan Lee's Comikaze. And who do we have here? Is that Stan? Oh, it's Dustbunny! Our cosplayer friend, Dustbunny.
Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Good. How have you been?
Oh, I'm doing well. Yeah, how are you?
Good. Good.
What is this costume you got?
So I am FSociety from Mr. Robot. I don't know if you've seen it.
I haven't. I must see it now.
Oh, it's so good. They just finished their first season, so you can binge watch it and have a nice weekend.
Oh, that's what I'm doing next weekend. Yeah. Are you free? Can you come over?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, there we go.
I'll make some cupcakes and we'll hang out. Yes.
Wow. Geez, I was just thinking popcorn, but she went for cupcakes.
Yeah.
Wow. You know, a way to a puppet's heart. Cupcakes.
Yes.
Very nice. What have you been up to?
Just been doing con stuff a lot. Yeah. So today I guess is day one of Comikaze Expo, so I'll be here all weekend.
Oh, nice. Hey, I don't think I asked you last time, but okay, some sort of a website or something that your fans can like go on and maybe get a picture just in case they didn't make it to Comikaze?
Yeah. You can find it on Etsy.
All right.
I think it's like called Dustbunny's Closet or something, but you can find it on my Facebook page. There's like a little tab for shopping.
Oh, nice. Oh, and that's where fans like me, I could pick up a print or something?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Nice. Will you sign it?
I will. I do sign it. And you can even like request a nicer message, like if you want me to say something, or if it's a gift for someone, I get a lot of those.
Oh, all right. Wow, this is nice. And you're going to be dressed up all 3 days?
Yes.
Different costumes?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
All right. If you're coming tomorrow, okay, you should check her out. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's see who else we can see. All right. Let's go exploring. Want to come?
Okay, let's go.
All right. Let's go. Hi, Flick here from the Nerd Soapbox, and welcome to our first annual Nerd Soapbox Celebrity Panel. Yes, so we've got microphones on either side of the room here for questions, and we'll be starting. Go ahead and line up there. Questions, anybody? Hello? 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 Anyone? That's it, I'm out of here.